Alright, saxophones, this is a video for you and really any reed players, whether it be oboe, bassoon, clarinet, saxophone, talking about making good sound on your instrument. And this is something that I'm sure you've heard a lot in your band classes or with your teacher. And it's how to create good sound while you're playing. And one of our biggest culprits, especially as for saxophone players, our biggest culprits is being really loud. Like, how many of you have ever been like, oh, my band director's telling us we're too loud again? That is because we're taking way too much mouthpiece. The trick to playing with the correct amount of mouthpiece is you take a sheet of paper and you carefully stick it between your reed and your mouthpiece, and wherever that paper stops, that is where your teeth should line up. So and it depends on the reed, making sure we're playing on a good quality reed. I am playing on a Van Doren traditional size 3. Van Doren is one of my favorite brands just because in that box of 10, they're very, very, very consistent compared to just some other brands out there. So that's one is really important to sound good, making sure we're playing on a good reed, making sure it's all set up correctly, and making sure we're not taking too much mouthpiece. Now, I'm not a saxophone player, so I don't always have, perfect tone, but, I mean, who does? But anyway, it's one of those things is making sure we're not taking... We don't want to sound like a truck horn. That just means you have way too much mouthpiece in your mouth. Clarinets, if you start squeaking really bad, that means you typically, that's like a double-edged sword. If you either have way too much or you don't have enough and there's not enough of the reed to vibrate to create good sound. But we want to make sure, thinking of a drawstring bag, when you pull that, you create an O shape. That's that shape we want when we play alto saxophone. Making sure we're creating the right embouchure. That's the key to getting a good tone. Happy practicing saxophones.